Today I'm going to teach you about an important lesson and, but, oh. Do you know these words? These three words are related to coordinating conjunctions. Let's look at how to use these words correctly. First one is and. And is used to connect similar ideas, actions, or items. It can join nouns, verbs, adjective, or entire clauses. For example, I like to read and write. I like to read and write. Here, it connects two verbs, read and write. Look at second one. I bought a book and a pen. Here, it connects two nouns, book and pen. Next one is but. But is used to connect contrastive or opposite ideas. It shows a contrast between two statements, actions, or qualities. Let's look at examples. I like tea, but I don't like coffee. Here, it shows a contrast between liking tea and not liking coffee. Second one, she is talented, but she is shy. Here, it contrasts being talent with being shy. Next one is or. Or is used to present alternatives or choices. It connects two or more options or possibilities. Let's look at examples for or. Do you want coffee or tea? Here, it presents two options, coffee or tea. Second one, we can go to the park or the museum. Here, presents two choices, the park or the museum. Right. Here is the summary of today's lesson. And, but, who. And adds or connects similar ideas or items. But shows contrast or introduces an opposite idea. Or present choices of alternatives. Right. I hope you understand this lesson. See you in the next video.